All right, boys and girls, here we are, day 2 of Read Aloud. Today I've selected a fable called The Hen and the Apple Tree to share with you. It has this great illustration that I thought you might enjoy seeing. Sorry, I'm trying to get the glare. Let's see what we think the lesson that we can learn from The Hen and the Apple Tree is. One October day, the hen looked out her window. She saw an apple tree growing in her backyard. "Now that is odd," said the hen. "I am certain that there was no tree standing in that spot yesterday." "There are some of us that will grow fast," said the tree. The hen looked at the bottom of the tree. "I have never seen a tree," she said, "that has 10 furry toes." "There are some of us that do," said the tree. "Hen, come outside and enjoy the cool shade of my leafy branches." The hen looked at the top of the tree. "I've never seen a tree," she said, "that has 2 long pointed ears." "There are some of us that have," said the tree. "Hen, come outside and eat one of my delicious apples." "Come to think of it," said Hen, "I've never heard a tree speak from a mouth that is full of sharp teeth." "There are some of us that can," said the tree. "Hen, come outside and rest your back against the bark of my trunk." "I have heard," said the hen, "that some of you trees lose all of your leaves at this time of year." "Ah, yes," said the tree, "there are some of us that will." The tree began to quiver and shake. All of its leaves quickly dropped off. The hen was not surprised to see a large wolf in the place of an apple tree where the apple tree had been standing just a moment before. She locked her shutters and slammed her window closed. The wolf knew that he had been outsmarted. He stormed away in a hungry rage. Boys and girls, what do you think the theme is for The Hen and the Apple Tree? Feel free to pause the video just like yesterday if you need more time to think. All right, let's see what Arnold Lobel thinks. He says that the theme or the life lesson that we can learn from this story is, it is always difficult to pose as something that one is not. What do you think that means? It is always difficult to pose as something that one is not. Kind of think it means it's hard to be something that you're not, or pretend that you feel a certain way that you really don't feel, or you are something that you really are not. All right, boys and girls, that's Read Aloud for day number 2. We'll see you tomorrow.